We said no refunds!
Him?
Oh, you.
What are y'all doing with these dolls and that ridiculous getup? Don't you have a resort to run?
It's off-season. Besides, we're planning an expansion.
And expansions cost bits.
Flim and Flam's Fro-Yo Flume Ride!
Well, that sounds fun.
It ain't no excuse for selling cheap dolls to ponies.
We're just giving ponies what they want.
Shopping for the perfect gift is stressful.
Oh, that's true.
You want to get something that really stands out.
I do.
And when you tell your friend you got them the hottest gift in Rainbow Falls, what'll they say?
Woohoo.
The more you spend, the more your friend knows you love them.
Oh, right. They really are good at selling things.
You may not like it.
But technically, we're not doing anything wrong.
Ponies are desperate for the right gift.
And who are you to tell them this isn't it?
If ponies get tired of Holly after a few days...
Or she falls apart, who really got hurt?
No, pony! Don't let the curtain hit you on the way out.
Of course Rainbow Dash wouldn't want this. I'm so mad I could just kick.
Convincing ponies to buy that doll ain't in the holiday spirit.
But Flim and Flam have a point. We can't tell ponies what to buy.
But maybe we can show them.